I originally came into contact with the Healthy Together Wodonga team some months ago with the discussion of partnerships and their goals of encouraging the eating of more fruit and vegetables and community connectedness. The work I've done with Healthy Together Wodonga has enabled me to create partnerships with the local preschool and the local primary school to come together to reach some of the goals that Healthy Together Wodonga would like to achieve, of children eating fresh fruit and vegetables as well as bringing communities together.
It's actually had a much bigger influence than what I thought it would. The idea was you actually got a committee together of parents and students, so we did that. We had about 10 people who were keen to come on the committee, and out of that we decided what health promotion area we wanted to work with, and the first one we came up with was healthy eating, which tied in nicely with actually an inquiry topic we were doing across the school as well. And out of that the parents just got really excited, and we were looking up, getting healthy food recipes, and we also started making connections with the wider community, and everyone sort of got on board, and we were putting something in the newsletter each week, and it just sort of kept building momentum, which was fantastic.
We came together to start a community garden in the grounds of the local primary school, and the children absolutely loved growing all the fresh fruit and vegetables, but even better still, they loved cooking them and eating them. And we were able to provide the facilities at our community centre for them to be able to cook on a massive scale, and the local primary school couldn't do that. So it's been a really enjoyable experience and achieved some great results.
One of the supermarkets actually offered, which was fantastic, to provide a full box of fruit for the students every week, so that we always encourage the children to have a piece of fresh fruit every day around 10 o'clock, and there's obviously some children who can't bring that. Part of that also meant that the children were trying different fruit and vegetable that they weren't always provided with at home, and going home and saying to their parents that they'd had celery sticks or something they'd never eaten before, and the parents got really excited about that.
We very much view our work with the Healthy Together Wodonga team as a partnership. We see them as extremely helpful to us and just another part of the Aspire team.
Well, I'm really fortunate to have the resources available for Healthy Together Wodonga to help me in my role. I'm a strategic planner, and one of my main focuses is to increase physical activity in Wodonga. And the Healthy Together team are vital to get my information out to the community and get community involvement back to help me do my job and increase physical activity in Wodonga. Healthy Together speaks to all sections of the communities, the schools, the pedestrians, the informal cyclists, brings that message back, so we integrate that into our planning and we accommodate policies for these people who are really important.
They very much help us with along every step of the way. I think that it's been a really good partnership because all of our philosophies are the same, and that is to empower people and the community, work alongside people. So for our staff, it's meant that they have a better idea of what it means to be healthy, because none of us can achieve anything in life if we're not healthy. And that's very much had a flow-on effect for the people that they work with and support in the community. So that message, it's just a beautiful ripple effect. There's no zealots, nobody's accusing anyone or pointing out where there's faults, but just that message. To be able to do certain things in life, we all have to have a certain level of health. So it's spreading nicely through. So we've seen our staff more engaged, and now bringing to our attention projects that we could be engaged in to make them healthy. We've seen differences in our building. We see walking groups, we see people working together, and what's been beautiful is to see clients come and approach us and want to be part of that as well.
What's been really great is working in partnership with the City of Wodonga and Gateway Community Health in a way that we've never worked together before. So we're looking from a health perspective as well as a land care perspective.
This is the thing, is that it became more than just about fruit and vegetables and community gardens. The knock-on effect has been that we are much more connected as a local community.
Healthy Together Wodonga has been fantastic in giving us guidance on policies and issues we can consider when we redo our planning scheme. We've had the opportunity to redesign our whole city, and Healthy Together Wodonga has been vital in increasing pedestrian access and bicycle access to our new city design, and also key in consulting with the community and getting them involved in what they want for our new city heart. It's been great to have the team in council because they've allowed us to get results quickly. They've been able to go out there and bring in Vic Walks, the Heart Foundation, the schools into projects that I'm actually working on. They do jobs I couldn't do because I haven't got the time, to allow me to do better planning long term to make a healthy city.
Our mission is to work alongside these people in life, to support them in the things they want to do in life, and our vision is to see a community where all people are empowered. The Healthy Together program fits beautifully with our vision because that's what we're doing. We're empowering people to have their rights fulfilled in the community. You can only do that when you have health, and the team contributes greatly to helping us achieve that for people.
We can do many more things together, and volunteers are feeling valued in the community as well.
Through our partnership with Healthy Together Wodonga, we believe we've created a robust and sustainable health and wellbeing program. We're really proud to have named that program Aspire to Life.
Getting out and working in the parks in Wodonga is a great way of getting people more active, as well as getting that work done in the parks.
Personally, I had a huge sense of achievement, but also as a school we were just really excited about the way that parents were engaged and kids and their parents. At the end of the year we worked with Wodonga Council again. It was our walk to school day and encouraging the walking to school, but also having a healthy breakfast when they got here to school. And I just feel that we have made change, and I'm very proud of what I've done as leading the program, but also as a school and the way we've built relationships with families and parents and children working together. We used to struggle to have children bringing healthy fruit every day, and we're seeing that they're bringing that, and they just seem happier and healthier and really keen to try new fruit and talk about different recipes and foods that they've tried.